I'm Gabriela. I came to get some investing advice. To be honest, I don't know too much about investing, and it's not that I can't follow along with these things, it's just that I was drawn more towards the sciences in school rather than accounting and finance. And I find the business section of the paper boring. The sports section is a bit of a bore too, for that matter. Oh, so I brought all the papers your assistant said you need when I booked my appointment. Not sure if you want me to go through all of this now or if you'll take it away and read it later. Please tell me you'll take it away and read it. I think I'll die of boredom if I have to sit and go through all of this stuff with you. You know what will be infinitely more fun? If I tell you about my cat. Her name is Oreo. She's black and white and yummy in the middle. She's actually more like a dog than a cat. She fetches a small ball that I throw at her. Any of you have a cat? Everyone has dogs these days. I find dogs are nowhere near as smart and they slobber everywhere. Okay, I know you must be thinking that I'm some crazy cat lady and that I need to get down to business, but I can't be a crazy cat lady yet. I'm only 22. I have decades before I can be called a crazy cat lady. The main reason I'm here is to figure out what to do with my money. I'm still in school. I just started my master's in environmental studies at U of T. I moved out of my parents' house during my undergrad and I haven't lived there since. See, I have this condo downtown with to die for views of the lake. I'm one of those downtown gals. I go to spin class, go to dinner a lot, hang out at the Jays games, that sort of thing. You can't beat downtown Toronto. I mean, there's no way I'm moving back to the burbs. Anywho, my parents have set up trusts for me and my brothers, and they gave me $500,000 when I turned 20. They'll give me $1 million when I turn 30, $2 million when I'm 40, and so on. You get the picture. You won't believe how fast I burned through the first $500,000 though. I mean, I bought a car first thing, and then went on a shopping spree in New York, and now there's like $300,000 left on my bank account. Yeah. Matt, my twin brother, he's no better. He bought an even pricier car and all this bling. Like, he's got all these watches and necklaces now. He looks like a rapper. Matt and I made the big mistake of complaining to our dad about how fast the money is going, and he hit the roof. He was like, you kids better start investing your money and stop spending it so much, or so help me, I'm gonna change the distribution schedule. That's why I'm here. Help. Maybe start with the basics. Like, what should I be investing in? What about bonds? Like, should I be buying Canada savings bonds? That sounds like something my grandma will be into. And how are bonds different than stocks? Oh, so I know this sounds odd, but if I decide to work with you, how will I know if you're doing a good job for me? I mean, in science, there are these metrics that you test in an experiment, and I know investing is not an experiment, but are there specific metrics I should be looking at to see how well you're doing? And over what time frame do you measure success? Okay. Well, that's about all the investing mumbo jumbo I can take for today. Unless you want me to pull out my phone and start showing you photos of my cat, I think we should call it a day. Talk soon.